Here we have a 2015 15-plate BMW 320d M Sport XDRIVE in blue. Now, we do have black inner grills as well as LED headlights, M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser. Now we also have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind there, as you can see. Now we do have rear privacy glass as well as black window trim, shark fin antenna and performance decals just above the side skirts just there. And there's another look, another alloy wheel. Now we do have rear reversing sensors as well as single exhaust tip flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. As you can see, that rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser really does make this car stand out. Now we do have XDRIVE in 320D badging just on the rear as well, just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. There's a quick look at one of those alloy wheels. Going to the rear of the car, we do have full Dakota leather throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. We also have vents in the centre as well. Now we do have electric windows with leather trim in the back of the BMW individual trim just there. We also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is incredibly comfortable. We also have the leather trim on the door again with the BMW individual trim, electric windows and integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down here we have auto lights. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel, a cruise control and speed limiter, as well as paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. Just down there, press that button, we do have auto wipers. Now this vehicle has done just over 22,400 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Going to the centre, we do have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity. Go across, we do have CD, external devices and sound. We have Bluetooth connectivity as well as aux connectivity. Going across, we also have radio. We have FM, AM, DAB just there as well. Now we do have phone connectivity just there as well. Then back to nav. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing sensors just there activating. Coming off that, we do have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with also ice cold aircon. For those cold winter mornings, we also do have 2 heated front seats, which makes all the difference. And again, work just as you would expect it to. Lift this up, we do have 12-volt connectivity, as well as a little bit of a storage tray just there. Again, we have a storage tray here, with underneath we do have 2 nice sized cup holders. You can turn traction control on and off, as well as your driver mode select. Again, the BMW individual trim just there, and again up there as well. And this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Now we do have a soft touch leather armrest for storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers full Dakota leather front seat, which also has extended fire support, the same as the driver's. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as it should. And as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep in a straight line. Now we do have paddle shift on the back of the steering wheel, as well as a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. So to activate the cruise control, simply press the button at the bottom on the left hand side, and then use the toggle to push up or down, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly, or go up by 1, and push up until you feel a bit of a click, and it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, simply press the button twice, or push the brake, and then it'll deactivate. Now we do have paddle shift, which I'm going to take over as we speak. So I'm now in second, into third, and I'm coming up to the roundabout where I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. I'm going to drop down to second, wait for cars to pass, drop into first, and then wait for cars to go past. And then you can hear the engine has stopped as a stop start. So I'm in second, third, fourth. I'm going to let the car take back over now. Now you can also push the gear stick to the left, and then it'll go to S or M, and you'll be able to see screen. S meaning sports, so it'll be faster gear changes in automatic, or M, and then it'll go into manual mode. And to cancel, simply push back to the right, and then it'll cancel for you. Now I do have a very comfortable full Dakota leather front seat with extended thigh support, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now they're also heated, so you can, for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. Now we do have satellite navigation, as well as Bluetooth media connectivity, as well as aux connectivity. We also have phone connectivity, and we have the satellite navigation again, just there as well. Then when you pop the car into reverse, you do have rear parking sensors, so it's very helpful for when parking in those narrow spaces. Here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for, and how caring of a company we actually are. Now we do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to follow us on either platforms, just to stay up to date with everything RS Car Sales. For example, what new stock we get coming in, see if anything takes your fancy. During this test drive video, if you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during the video, there hasn't been any. But right now, I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse, just so the brakes work as they should, and so does the rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, just going over the bump. I'm going to go hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, or also no unwanted knocks or bangs. And then straight back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. If you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where you can book an appointment or ask any further questions. You can book an appointment to either view the car or test drive the car, or both, either. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching this video.